move the camera.
Hey, Dad. You're looking pretty handsome today.
Oh, me?
You, yeah.
Why?
I don't know, you just look really good today. Must be because it's your birthday. You think?
Probably.
Probably.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mary. Happy birthday to you.
Thanks, Mary.
Oh, Mary, that was very
Thank
sweet.
you. That was very nice.
That was
How about
very
that?
sweet.
Mary's over here singing happy birthday. That was very nice.
You don't hear me, huh?
He heard ya. He heard that.
That's good.
Yeah, see? He said that's good, yeah. Yep.
How old am I?
81. Spring chicken.
Wow.
Spring chicken.
Better go get a relief.
You think you need one? I don't think you need one. Spring chicken. You could still run circles around us.
How old do you feel, Dad?
Feel like about 20.
Do you?
Oh, that's pretty good.
That's good.
I'd like to feel 20 again.